cold January day, 2022, here in my backyard. Yet another project. This, my friends, is a 1929 Meteor 27-foot triple cockpit. In unfinished but pretty complete condition. Has, I think, all of the original hardware. Picture of the foredeck. Has the wrong wheel, and I very much dislike this wheel. I don't know where it came from. Luckily I have the correct wheel. Here's the port side light, which is, you can see my size of my hand. This thing is huge. Has a little meteor, has the shooting star on top of it. Pretty neat how it comes back for that. The wheel appears to be out of a Dodge of some kind. The gas was cheap, or the engine that was originally in this was very inefficient, or they wanted to go on a long trip. Either way, it has two huge gas tanks. I haven't even measured them to see how big they are. That's a 425 Oldsmobile engine from 66, 67 from what I can tell in it. It has the OSCO conversion. Pretty decent job of installing this incorrect engine. It does have the original Meteor transmission. Does work, which is pretty cool. The number on the transmission matches the builder's tag. Some wiring on there. Interesting to note that this boat, the side planks are screwed from the inside. So the only bungs you will see externally where the frames are. Currently the hatch covers are off. They're in the shop. Obviously they go in this area here. It has a nice bottom in it, which is amazing for this boat, for the age of it. Looks like I'm going to need a few more zip ties for that prop shaft. Quadra junk on an Oldsmobile. Not a bad setup. Don't care for all the ugly galvanized pipe, but I guess that's gonna work best, isn't it? There's the gauge panel. Those are the wrong gauges. However, I do have the correct gauges inside the house. So that shooting star panel is correct. Just the insert goes in where the black and those AutoZone quality gauges are at. It's a big son of a gun. 27 foot. We'll see what we can do with it.